Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sonic from Shin Sonic Tapes. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start on the left side and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve up and bring it back down. And then add an oval inside. And color the rest of the nose in black. Now on the left, let's draw a curve down, and then one over on the right side. Now on both sides, let's add the eyes. Let's start on the right and let's draw a curve up. And a curve underneath to close it off. Now for the left eye, we're going to draw a curve starting on top of the nose and curve it back in underneath. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's draw a circle near the bottom. And then another circle inside at the top. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. On the left of the nose, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then a longer one out on the right side. And now let's curve both ends down and in, meeting at the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw another curve at the top. Curve it down from both ends. And then another curve underneath. Now that we have the shape of the mouth, let's move in and let's draw the teeth. At the top, let's draw two small curves down. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now let's move inside, starting underneath the nose, and let's draw a curve up and out, and the same next to it on the right. Then let's work our way out on both sides. Now let's add another row underneath. Let's step in and let's draw two lines down and a curve across. And again, let's add the bumps inside. And that's it for the top row of teeth. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom. Let's start by drawing two small lines up and a curve across. Now in the center, let's draw a curved square shape down underneath and work our way out. Now let's add another row on top. Let's start with two angles, going in, two small vertical lines, and then close off the top and the bottom with a curve across. And then again, add curved square shapes across. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side on top of the mouth and let's draw a curve up and over to the right, stopping here. Then let's add a curved spike over and back in. And then another longer one out to the right side. And then one more going down. And then a curve underneath back in. Now let's draw the back of the body. We'll start with another spike out and back in. One more in the same way. A curve down. And then a curve up and back down. Now before we draw the bottom part of the body, let's add the legs. Let's start under the head on the left and let's draw 2 angles going down. And let's do the same on the right side here. Now let's angle them down again. And now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the inside line, let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumbs. And then a curve out and back up for the next finger. Another curve on top. And then one more back up to the wrist. And then add a small bump on top for one more finger. And that's it for the front arms and hands. Now let's move back and let's draw the legs. At the back of the body, let's draw 2 angles. And then bring both of the lines down. And now before we add the other leg behind, let's draw the bottom of the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a wavy line over to the right. And continue it on the other side, all the way to the tail. Now that we have the shape of the body, we can draw the other leg behind. Underneath the body here, let's draw 2 angles down. And then close off both of the legs with a curve at the bottom. Now at the bottom of each of the legs, let's add the feet. Let's hop up from the bottom and let's draw a curve out and back in on both sides of each leg. And then another angle out underneath. And a curve across. Now underneath on the right side, let's draw a curve down. And then from the left, a curve out. And close off the bottom of each shoe. And lastly, let's draw 2 curves inside. And that's it for Shin Sonic. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!